Today we are going to draw a picture of a famous artist known as Salvador Dali. And Salvador Dali is a crazy kind of guy. So I think you're going to really like his artwork, and we're going to show you some pictures in class. So the first thing you're going to do is hold your paper the tall way. And we're going to start out by making a U shape. So start with a U shape because we're going to make basically his head. Once we do that, we're going to start with his hair. I know that's strange, we normally don't, but we're going to start with his hair. So make a curve come up, and then a curve come up. And then we're going to make a U shape. So he has kind of this funky shape. Now we're going to come on the side, and we're going to make kind of a poof. Now, Salvador Dali, we're going to add his ears. So let's make a curve on one side and a curve on the other side. And now that we've done that, let's make another curve and another curve. And then we need to make a hole so he can hear. Now Salvador looks a little bald here, so let's make our hair come down and our hair come down. All of this is going to be black. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of do this to remind you that this is gonna be all black. You're gonna use your black crayon later. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw Salvador Dali's neck, and then we're gonna work back up to the face. So to draw his head, we're gonna make two lines, 1, 2, and then we're gonna make shoulders, 1, 2. Okay, so right now we have a head, neck, and shoulders. Now, why don't we work on his face? So to do his face, we're gonna make this a cartoon version. So let's make a U where the nose would go. Then we're gonna make a C and a backward C. And then we're gonna make two lines that come up, 1, 2. So we have a nose. Inside the nose, we're gonna make two eyes, 1, 2. Like I said, this is a cartoon, so it's okay. He can have 2 dots. And then we're gonna just draw a little line for his mouth. Now, Salvador Dali does have a couple of wrinkles, so let's give him a couple of wrinkles because he's a little older. And then we're gonna add a couple little wrinkles under his eyes. 1, 2, because he's not a young dude. Now, Salvador Dali is known for his crazy mustache. So let's start right in the middle, and we're gonna make a line that comes to the side and then curves up. And we're gonna do the same thing on the side. Make another dot, make a curve, and then come up. And then we're gonna make it a little bit thicker, not too thick. And that's Salvador Dali's mustache. Now, he does have some eyebrows missing, and he has big, thick eyebrows. So let's draw an oval here, and then draw an oval there. And we're gonna color these ovals in black, just like his hair. So now we have Salvador Dali. Now Salvador Dali always wears a suit because he's fancy. So we're gonna make his suit. So the first thing we're gonna do is starting here, we're gonna make a V, and then we're gonna make another V. Now he always wears a shirt and tie, so let's make a tie. Make a square, and then we're gonna make a skinny tie. He wears a skinny tie, so make 1 line, 2 line. Let's make his jacket. Starting on the side, we're gonna make a diagonal and come down to his tie. Diagonal and come down to his tie. So now we have made his fancy jacket. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna make a pocket square. Make a line, and then we're gonna make a little triangle. So that's like his little handkerchief. And then on this side, I know this sounds strange, we're gonna make a little lobster because he would wear a lobster pin. And he also did artwork of a lobster. So let's do a curve, a line, then we're gonna do another U, and in that U, we're gonna make a bunch of little lines. To make our lobster, we are going to draw his tail, which is 1 diagonal, 2 diagonal, and a U. When we do that, make a line in the middle. Now for our little lobster head, we're gonna add 2 dots, 1, 2, and then we're gonna make our lobster claws. 1 circle, 1 circle, 1 circle, 1 circle, and then we're gonna make an oval and an oval. And to make it look like a lobster, we're gonna put little lines. So that's his little lobster. Now Salvador Dali, as crazy as he is, he also had a pet chicken. So we could draw a chicken if you want, but I think we're gonna just leave the lobster. So for Salvador Dali, we have a lot of cool stuff going on for him. So we are good. You are going to take your Pence crayon now, your black crayon, and you're gonna trace everything. When you are done, you are going to color Salvador Dali. Remember, color his skin. He is a peach color, but if you don't have peach, you can color him tan or brown. And don't forget that his hair is black. So we're gonna make sure that his hair is super black because we don't want him to not have black hair. He had really thick black hair. And then you can color your suit however you would like. Don't forget to color your lobster. Don't forget your suit. Now he can have a white shirt if you want. I'm gonna give him a purple tie. You can give whatever color tie you want. You can give green, you can give yellow, orange, whatever you want. But I think I'm gonna give him a white shirt, purple tie. I'm getting purple handkerchief, and then I'm gonna give him let's give him a gray suit. I'm gonna give him a gray suit. So I'm gonna color his suit gray. And then he's also known for these crazy melty clocks. And maybe we can draw those in class too. So when we work on it together, we will decide as a group what we will do for our background. For now, we're just gonna color the background one solid color. Whoops, I bumped my mat. Color your background one solid color. Get all the white spots. And when you are finished, take your time, don't go fast, and we will take a picture. You guys will take a picture and post it to Seesaw. And I cannot wait to see your Salvador Dalis.